Did you know that a simple leaf from a tropical fruit tree could hold the secret to healthy, strong, and beautiful hair? Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into the powerful benefits of papaya leaf for your hair. This underrated natural remedy has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and today, modern science is beginning to catch up. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll discover why papaya leaf could become your hair's best friend. 1. Papaya leaves is rich in nutrients that nourish the scalp. Papaya leaves are packed with powerful nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and B complex, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for a healthy scalp. When applied to the scalp as a juice or hair mask, papaya leaf helps strengthen the hair follicles from the root. A well-nourished scalp promotes healthy hair growth and reduces breakage. 2. Papaya leaves contains powerful antioxidants. One of the biggest enemies of healthy hair is oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Papaya leaf contains a wealth of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps fight off these free radicals. This means less damage to your scalp and hair follicles, and more room for new, stronger strands of hair to grow. 3. Papaya leaves has natural remedy for dandruff and itchy scalp. Papaya leaves contain enzymes such as papain and chymopapain, which help remove dirt, oil, and buildup from the scalp. These enzymes act as natural exfoliators, breaking down dead skin cells and flakes. This makes papaya leaf an effective natural remedy for dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp inflammation. Regular use can help soothe the scalp and restore its natural pH balance. 4. Papaya leaves promotes hair growth. Do you want a longer and thicker hair? Papaya leaf may help. Thanks to its rich amino acids and enzyme content, papaya leaf stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the hair roots, leading to faster, healthier hair growth. It also helps prevent thinning and encourages voluminous, fuller hair. 5. Papaya leaf strengthens hair shaft, prevents breakage. Dry, brittle hair is prone to split ends and breakage. But the vitamin E and essential antioxidants in papaya leaf strengthen the hair shaft, helping your strands stay intact from root to tip. It also improves hair elasticity, so your hair is more resistant to styling damage and everyday wear and tear. 6. Deeply conditions and adds natural shine. Papaya leaf acts as a natural conditioner. It smooths the hair cuticle, locks in moisture, and leaves your hair soft and manageable. With regular application, papaya leaf can transform dull, lifeless strands into shiny, vibrant hair, the kind that turns heads. 7. Papaya leaves fights scalp infections. Because of its antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, papaya leaf can help protect your scalp from infections. Whether you're dealing with minor fungal growth, scalp acne, or excess oil, papaya leaf has the power to cleanse and heal naturally, without harsh chemicals. How to use papaya leaf for hair. Now that you know the benefits, here's how to use papaya leaf at home. A. Papaya leaf juice. Blend fresh papaya leaves with water. Strain the juice and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. B. Papaya leaf hair mask. Mix papaya leaf juice with natural ingredients like aloe vera gel, coconut oil, or yogurt. Apply to hair and scalp, leave for 30 to 45 minutes, then rinse. C. Papaya leaf oil infusion. Dry the leaves and infuse them into coconut or olive oil for a few days. Use the oil as a weekly scalp treatment to stimulate growth and add shine. Try using papaya leaf treatment once or twice a week for best results. Caution: while papaya leaf is generally safe, always do a patch test before applying it to your scalp, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. If irritation occurs, stop using it immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Conclusion: so there you have it, papaya leaf isn't just another plant in your garden. It's a hidden gem in the world of natural hair care. If you're looking for stronger roots, faster growth, fewer flakes, and that healthy, radiant shine, papaya leaf might just be the miracle your hair has been waiting for. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.